Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here again among your, well, in your midst, I should say. So as Toby kindly introduced, my name is Recep Peker. I'm the Managing Director of Suitability Hub. I founded the firm back in 2021, and here we go. Just trying to learn how to use the computer. With the idea of essentially bringing a level of transparency to financial products that has been missing from the market. So really helping them go, advisors, product providers, licensees go beyond things like fees and performance to find who is going to be the best fit for the way an advisor wants to run their business and the way they want to serve their clients. And we started the journey researching platform providers. We have fairly deep coverage in terms of what is that each platform provider offers to advisors and help them go beyond just saying, okay, we have the most features, and instead to talk about the right features. And more recently, we've been developing our managed accounts research, and Toby approached us and gave the opportunity to essentially streamline the way we collect and represent SMA managers, not just for the purpose of the IMAP awards, but also more broadly, how you can represent your offer to financial advisors and licensees, and also platform due diligence and governance teams. So it's been a long journey. Software development takes quite a bit of time, but I'm happy to say that we've gotten to a point where now our research represents 13 major platform providers in a great deal of detail, and also 36 managers as a whole in terms of what is it that they offer to advisors. So to give you a bit of understanding of how this works, each manager has a profile page that's you can control who it's visible to. So managers who have more private label or as a consultant type relationships might only share these profiles with the licensees they work with or the platforms they're on, while the more publicly available managers from Accordius to Watershed, from BlackRock to Vanguard, can essentially display to advisors and the broader market what is their value proposition. So we're bringing the means of essentially helping advisors discover managers and see, okay, who's going to be the right fit for the way they want to invest their clients' assets. We've also built a lot of comparative tools. Like one of the challenges that we heard about all the time is there's a lot of data on SMA managers, but it's very difficult to do a like-for-like analysis. So, different managers have different definitions of what a balanced fund is or what a growth portfolio is. So we created a dashboard where you can filter managers based on your own criteria. You might say anyone with 50% growth allocation, no exposure to international direct shares, et cetera, strategic asset allocation, and get a clear view across the industry around which managers are going to be the right fit, which managers are going to serve you the best. We've also been working on essentially addressing the RG97 issue, which is platforms each having their own interpretation of how to represent managers' fees. And we initially turned to platform providers with the goal of standardizing how our fees reported across platforms. And every platform said, Recep, this is a fantastic idea. Our way is best. Get every other platform to report their fees the way we do it. So we've developed an approach where now we capture a superset of information across platforms around how fees are represented, so that you can go in and understand why are the fees different across platforms for a model. Is it because they're reporting net of rebates or gross of rebates? Are there discounted unit classes? Are there other considerations like fixed transaction fees that are influencing the picture? So we're continuing to invest into the analytical tools through Suitability Hub. So over time, we'll essentially bring together the means to craft your own story, which you might present to financial advisors, or you might use with licensees or platform governance teams to really say, this is how we set ourselves apart. This is the value proposition we have, and create strategic opportunities so that you can also partner with platform providers to talk about with their BDMs why your model should be promoted, etc., or help you show advisors why a particular platform is most appropriate for them to partner with. So there's quite a bit of ongoing development that we do. And it was very pleasing to get feedback from the managers participating in the awards this year about how well we streamlined the process, and also the judges as well, who have provided very positive feedback around making their lives a lot easier. So looking forward to continuing to support the industry through our software. Thank you.